First things we like to do in Vegas after taking a quick nap and having a drink is to go to Walgreens or whatever drugstore is nearby and get some provisions. Mostly water. We get a bunch of water, get some air fresheners for the room, get some snacks, some stuff to leave in the room, and that's what we do. So that's what we're hitting up. Walgreens is the spot right there. Right across the street from the hotel is back over there somewhere in the city. We're back in city center at the Vdara, and this is right across the street from there. And when you come to Vegas, they always try to sell you stuff. So this guy's trying to sell us stuff. Just ignore them. They're polite. Alright, we're here at Virgil's. It's our guilty pleasure when we come to Las Vegas. I always get the ribs. We usually get the ribs, but Lana's getting the catfish this time. So we want to see what that tastes like.
Yeah, I've had a catfish before and it's good, but they usually give you way too many ribs. Like it's enough for 2 people to share.
Oh no, I'm eating these ribs by myself. You're not getting none. No. Sorry. And they have local craft beer too. So I got a local Mexican lager. Can't remember.
Beer for him and wine for me.
Yeah. All right, Virgil's. Virgil's also has a place in New York City. I think there's somewhere else, but we fell in love with them in New York City at a couple of locations, and one in Times Square and one somewhere else. But I mean, whenever we come to Vegas, we come and check them out. So come stop by Virgil's. It's over by the big Ferris wheel next to, what is that?
The Link?
The Link Hotel. Peace out. right, we're here walking the Vegas Strip. We like to get up in the morning. Usually, we don't have the light, by the way. We usually like to get up real early before everybody gets out here. It's still a little sparse on the Strip, but we like to get a cup of coffee, go for an early morning walk, hit the buffet, which we just did over at Wicked Spoon, which is one of our favorites, mostly because it's nearby, but it is really good. It's at the Wicked Spoon at the Cosmopolitan, the buffet. Bellagio is behind us here. But yeah, it's just cool to go walk the Strip, you know, look at all the different themes of the hotels and see what they look like.
Get all your exercise in.
Yeah, so that's what we do. Like to get up early in the morning, walk the Strip, get the blood circulating, get some breakfast, and chill out.
Yep.
Yeah, so Vegas is cool. It's a lot of little things that you do along the way in Vegas. It's not just about gambling and strip clubs and all the crazy stuff you hear about Vegas. There's a lot of artwork exhibits in all the hotels. Every hotel has its own theme. Like this one here is Paris Hotel behind me. It's got an Eiffel Tower or a replica. What do we got? There's a Venetian hotel that looks like Venice. They even got the gondolas there. Caesar's Palace is a staple in Vegas. It's kind of this old standard of what a resort casino should be. And that's it. That's what we like to do. Just come walk early morning, chill out, chillax.
And it's great to get out early in the morning too, because it's going to be hot in the afternoon. So you want to get out and get around as much as you can before it starts to get really hot.
That's right. This time of year, it gets in the 90s. But if you're here in August or July, it can get up to 110, 115 degrees. So you want to, get your walks in early before it get burnt up. But all right, peace out. See you in the next frame. I think I got our tagline. Okay, what'd you get?
I got a sour. It's called a prickly pear sour. And it's very good, but it is very sour.
Was it barrel aged? Did they say?
It's not barrel aged.
Okay, they just tapped it.
Regular sour.
And I got the beer flight. 4 beers. I think they're about 5 ounces each. So it's about 20 ounces. About, what's that? 1 pint? 1 1/4 pints of beer. So let's dig in and see what they're working with. Oh, puppy out there.
My dog.
I know. All right, we just left Silver Stamp, dope bottle shop, brew pub. They had pickled eggs, by the way. We went to Nevada Brew Works, one of our favorite breweries in Las Vegas. Now we're gonna go get some. What are we gonna get?
In-N-Out burger.
In-N-Out burger.
Yeah.
In-N-Out Burger is our favorite burger out west.
They need to move to the East Coast.
Probably mostly because we can't get it out east.
That's right.
But it's still delicious though. One of the best burgers I've ever had. French fries, fresh cut, delicious. And we may stop by Beer Zombie and get some beer to go.
Yeah.
To drink with the beer,
Yeah.
to drink with the beer. We get some beer to drink with the beer. So we're gonna go get a burger, get a beer. We're gonna take it back to the room so that way we're not driving all around drinking beers and stuff. But have a burger and a beer in the room. Let's go check them out. We're at In-N-Out Burger, our favorite burger joint on the west side of the United States of America, the west coast side of the United States of America. Arguably the best burger. There's a lot of debate going on whether it's the best burger, but I think it's
burger's better than Fat Burger.
Yeah, Fat Burger's good, but and there's other. Everybody says In-N-Out Burger's not that good, but they never give you the alternative of where the burger's better. The burger's good. I think it's better than Five Guys.
Okay.
French fries, fresh cut French fries, delicious. Service is fast and quick. They've been around for a while. They know what they're doing. And we're right here in Las Vegas, about to have one of the best burgers on the planet. Absolutely. No questions. Peace out.
This concludes episode 1 of our Las Vegas Brew and Feed Adventure. In the next episode, our adventurers take another morning walk on the Strip, enjoy a delicious sushi dinner, spend some quality time at the pool, indulge at a steakhouse, and take another nighttime stroll on the Strip.